How to remove Google account from your Android phone. The first thing you want to do is open up settings. From your settings, scroll down here and you're going to find accounts and backup. It's going to be different on various devices, but you just basically want to find your account section. From here, you just tap on manage accounts up top. Just go ahead and tap on it. So all you have to do here is among the list of your accounts, you just tap on the account that you want to remove. Also, I'll just tap on my Gmail account over here. And once you tap on it, you can sync accounts, items, you can manage your Google accounts info. And right below that, you have remove account button. Tap on this. And then if you just tap on remove, you should be able to remove your account without any problem. And that's basically it. It's as easy as that. If you found the tutorial helpful, consider liking the video, subscribing to our channel, turn on the bell icon for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.